Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Once again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to redeem your Roblox codes or your Roblox promo codes on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to redeem your Roblox promo codes or your Roblox codes from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in roblox.com like this, and give a backslash over here and type in promo codes like this and hit enter. And then you'll be directed to this page of Roblox where you'll be required to log into your Roblox account in order to redeem your promo codes. Now, as you can see, my computer has auto-filled my credentials for me. You'll be required to do the same. Enter your username over here, and of that enter password over here, and then click on login first. And you'll be redirected over here where you can see the code option available over here, which says the redeem Roblox codes over here. Now enter your gift card, virtual item, or your promo codes over here, whichever you have. Enter your promo codes. Either if you have the card, you will get the code at the back side of the card. It will be covered by some kind of ink. Scratch it and you will find the code over there. Enter your code over here, or if you have received the email of the code, and receive your code first and enter it over here, and after that click on redeem. Then the net worth of that promo code will be added to your Roblox account, and then you will be available, or you can shop with those codes or do anything you like on your Roblox account. And guys, this is how you redeem your Roblox account promo codes or your Roblox promo codes on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more video. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.